Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you uh, how to make friends. Only friends can make you a member of their private server on your account on Roblox. It is and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click privacy. Now here you'll find this. And then here you'll find friends. Click on it and it will be saved. That's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.